Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to jump in. Install Snapchat, grant camera and microphone access, then create and verify your account so it functions properly. Once done, pick a clear username and set up a Bitmoji to personalize your profile. Now add friends immediately using username search, scanning snap codes, or importing contacts. This makes sending snaps meaningful right away. Make sure to allow notifications so you don't miss replies and friend requests. Then tap the camera to start composing your first snap. Now craft your content. Tap once for a photo or hold to record a video, and swap front and rear cameras as needed. Next, use lenses for augmented effects. Swipe to add filters and geotags, and layer stickers, text, and drawings to communicate quickly and visually. Save important captures to memories so you can edit or reshare later, and learn to export from memories to your camera roll. Also practice sending snaps to individuals or groups, instead of posting publicly when you want control. Finish by choosing where snaps go, add to your story for 24-hour visibility, or send directly to selected friends and groups for private sharing. Make sure you configure privacy settings, decide who can contact you, view your story, and check your location on Snap Map to prevent unwanted interactions. Regularly update Snapchat and enable auto backup in memories to avoid lost content. If something breaks, clear the app cache, confirm camera/mic permissions, or reinstall the app. That troubleshooting step fixes most persistent glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.